What's up, Jessica High School? So I found the world's smallest Magic the Gathering duel decks. This is Jace versus Vraska. There it is right there. I'm going to open it up and see what they look like. They're so tiny and they feel very compact. I hope it really is full of cards and it's not just a thick piece of cardboard in there. By the way, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And if you already are subscribed, thanks so much for the support. And check out our playlist. We have a lot of videos on our channel. It's so exciting to find out what they look like in there. I need to get some scissors. Okay, so here comes the very first deck. I'm going to open it up carefully so I don't rip the box. The best way to do this is with a knife. Oh, it actually is little cards in there. How cool. Open it up. These are going to be so tiny. The words are going to be so small. Okay, so in the Vraska deck, for the world's smallest, you're going to get these cards. Zoomed my camera in a little bit so you can see it better. Now it's time to open up the Jace pack. Okay, so the first card, of course, is Jace. world's smallest deck of Magic the Gathering cards. It looks like you will get, for this one I got 21 island cards. And for the other cards you get this many. Let's see. And 39 regular cards. And there might even be a rare one in here, but I don't really know the Magic the Gathering decks too well, so I'm not sure what's rare or what's not. Leave a comment if you saw a card that you really like, or which one you think is the most powerful one to have in the decks. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.